Everybody, what's up? My name is Command Sebastian, and you're probably wondering, oh, why am I looking at some blanket or such a nice blanket? Well, I found my cat, and my God, wait, someone's calling me. Wait a sec. Turns out that was just someone else's phone, and here's my cat. Say hi, Poe. Well, my mom found her, and, yeah. So, say hi, Poe. You don't want to say hi? Oh, she's purring. So here's my cat. Her name's Poe. And she'll be a part of my Roblox gameplays once I start playing it more. And I'm sorry if there's copyrighted music in the background. I'm trying to speak as loud as I can so then you can't hear the music, but if you can hear the copyrighted music, I'm very sorry. Well, yeah, so this is my cat Poe, and thanks for watching. Well, does this count as a part 2? No, I'll add some bloopers at the end. Just so, I just add something at the end so then I don't get demonetized. No, that's the wrong word. You know what? Just bye.